So I got the brakes working good, and I was driving the truck around, all was great. And a couple of days ago, I noticed that something had chewed up the wire harness for my trailer. Feel I needed to use the trailer. Now I've got my suspicions as who did it, but I'll let you be the judge of that. So the nicest way I found to fix this is I ordered a trailer extension, and it comes with a braided protection. So looking at my little tester, it looks like green is going to be right turn, yellow is left turn, tail lights are going to be the brown wire. Doesn't quite match up the color scheme on the truck. So I know green and white work. We'll start with those. Now I just have to keep telling myself, if I can't spend $100 a month or every now and then keeping this old truck running, then I can't afford a new truck payment. Even though I really would like to have something new. I've been driving this Dakota for 13 years and it's got maybe 230,000 miles on it. I think that sounds right. I haven't looked in a long time. So I'm trying to get in the habit of using these shrink tubes. They're built in with soldering in the center. Let's get you a close-up of that. Let's see if I can get the tube centered up on that. Looks like this white wire is the ground on the old plug. It's also going to the white wire on the new plug. See, what is brown supposed to be here? Brown is tail light, so yellow is left turn signal. I want to find the left turn signal. It's going to be this one, maybe? No. So brown on the truck is a turn signal. Looks like yellow is going to be my turn signal. Right? Nope, backwards. Tail light is yellow on the truck, which is off right now. There we go. This is the one I need. Left turn is yellow. And I've got the hazard lights turned on, that's why it's all blinking. Time to shrink another one. Doesn't take as long as I thought. I think I cooked that first one way too long. Okay, this should be tail light by a process of elimination. Alright, everything's connected, blinkers are working. Actually, I was mistaken for thinking brake light. It's just the tail light only. Now for the finishing touch, I'll tie these together up here and put on some wire loom. Looks like the stuff I've got's not big enough for this. I get like 2 wires in it. Maybe I'll just do these sections right here. So now these sections are nice and protected. The end of this looks nice. Hey, if you're interested in anything I used in this video, like the heat gun and the shrink tubes, the wire loom, I'll put a link in the description below. Since I already had all the things except the extension kit, that's all I had to spend today. It was about $12 on this repair. And a little bit of my time. But I appreciate you taking time to watch it. I've got a few other things coming up soon, some tractor videos that are a lot more interesting than this one. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Doodaloo.